out, and we'll know in the next 3 minutes or so. Jericho Cleveland from California, from the Volcano Vista High School. He's the leader with number 1. And going to the lead, Drew Marler of New Jersey. Colton Hanks, 18-year-old from York, Pennsylvania. Number 3. So we've seen some illustrious winners of this event over the years, including its previous incarnation at the New York Diamond League event. 65.1 seconds. Everybody's still in contention as we go into the final 3 quarters of a mile. Leading from New Jersey. Number 3, Colton Hanks from Pennsylvania. Pretty much throw a blanket over the whole field with 2.5 laps to go. And they just move Trevor Foley from Florida, who represented the USA in the World Cross Country Championship. He's up in the 2nd place. Cleveland retakes the lead at the halfway point. 2:08.36 unofficial at 880 yards. And the good news is the umbrella count is down below double figures. We have 9 umbrellas in. The weather is getting better. So this time it will be with a lap and a half to go. It's still anybody's race. These athletes, a big moment in their careers on this sort of stage, streamed around the world on runner space, live from the MIT, and they'll come out this time to take their bow. There is still Jericho Cleveland leading from California, Colton Hanks from Pennsylvania in 2nd, but they are gathering behind. New leader, Colton Hanks, taking the bell. 4:30 to go. There's a few elbows and a few knees catching there. We still have a 6-man game. All the attacks are going in down the back straight. Jericho Cleveland from California hits the front. Just over 200 minutes to go. So Bill's